first time driving with this, I don't know if you could see me. Driving with this setup feels funky. The lid is so high, wherever I look, I feel like I'm gonna hit something. In third gear, I flicked it, and when I looked, all the wind freaking caught the cap and almost blew the hat off. So I like, oh, let's go this way. Pretty much almost lost the camera at full lock, and I had to grab for the camera, put the hat back on, and then counter steer, like reinitiate. Kind of sketch. Car's pretty quick. 265s, they're not bad. Just spins them no problem. I don't know if you could even hear any of what I'm saying, but it is what it is. This damn car is so loud inside. Almost need a muffler inside. I think that's the way I'm supposed to go. Car got painted quite some time ago. Again, 4 or 5 months, 4 months since it was painted. And I've just kind of been sitting, haven't been driving it as much as I'd like to. Spent all summer camping and just working. It's been kind of too hot to do drift events, but every now and again I'll take some back roads, take it to get some beer. It drives pretty good. The alignment's a little off. I really want to put a sway bar on it. I don't have a front sway bar, so it's kind of tricky doing like really big entries because it wants to over rotate. There's so much front grip. I have a bunch of rear arms I want to put in the subframe. I just don't have the time. I also just don't want to put the car down and lose motivation, especially when I already don't drive it very much. So kind of just sits in the garage and it's ready whenever I need it, or whenever I want it, I should say. The fun stuff.
check. The new paint. Still a red candy, just a different shade this time around. Still needs some cutting and buffing, but looks great in the sun. Sean did some lace on the roof. It's his first time doing candy job. First time doing lace. Can't even see it with the reflections. There you go. Super subtle. Get a wide shot of this. Got the link dash, AM wideband, Z32 tranny, link ECU. Like I said, car just sits in the garage. It's been too hot this summer to really hit drift events. I've been camping a bunch and working, but she's been running great so far. Still 2 liter, fully built. It's making just under 500 on flex fuel right now. Anyways, 265s are great. Once they're warmed up, they're a bit grippier, but still no problem spinning them. Anyways, just wanted to do a little rip around town, see if how it turns out, if any of the video turned out good. If it did, then cool. Maybe I can edit a little better and you guys can give me feedback on what I should do in the future. But here's the car as it sits now. Haven't posted much about it, but thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this kind of thing, I don't know, leave a comment and I'll rip it around some more, maybe hit some events and film it POV style. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. I don't have the attention span for that, learning another hobby like that, doing video editing. But yeah, thank y'all. Bye.